DOS has been listed for trading across various cryptocurrency exchanges, and in this video I want to show you how to be able to sell your DOS for USDT and also how to be able to sell it for cash. In case you missed out on DOS airdrop, or this is just your very first airdrop and you are not in a Telegram channel, you are wrong. Do how to use the link in the description of this video. Join our Telegram channel for more opportunities like this one. Before I show you how to trade and sell your DOS for cash, I want to welcome you to my YouTube channel. My name is Emmanuel Jacob and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, do well to subscribe and also do tell me your name in the comments below so I can officially welcome you. So this method of trading DOS is applicable for every other cryptocurrency you are looking to trade on Bybit, Binance, Gate.io, Bitget, and other cryptocurrency exchanges with this particular trading interface. If you don't have an account on Bybit, use the link in the description of this video and create an account. And Bybit is going to be doing giveaway for people using my referral link to create an account, and also people that are going to be trading DOS on Bybit. So let's get started. To sell DOS either on Bybit or any exchange on the search line, just search for DOS, select it. Then with limit order, you can choose what price you are comfortable with. That means you could simply set a future price, like a price you believe. Let's say you are pessimistic that, or is it optimistic, that the price might likely get to maybe 0.005. You can do that. And you can choose to sell, choose the quantity you are looking to sell at that price. I have 100k plus. Let's say I want to sell 50k. Right? So alternatively, you can choose any amount that is currently higher than the current price, right? And if you want to sell at the current price, you can simply change it from limit to market. Once you change it to market, all you have to do is to impute the quantity, let's say 20k for instance, right? Or if you want to sell everything, you simply just drag this to 100% and you click on sell, and that is all. So in this case, since I want to sell immediately, not at maybe a future possible price, I could say, okay, let me sell like 40k. I'll click on sell DOS. I'll click on sell. So kindly note that this is applicable to a couple of other cryptocurrency exchanges with this similar interface, that is Bybit. This is Bybit actually, Binance, KuCoin. I don't think KuCoin have listed DOS, Gate.io, which other exchange, Bitget and the likes. So after selling, all you have to do is to confirm, you have to click on assets and you click on spot, or depending on how your Bybit account is, it could be unified trading account, but on other exchanges it's going to be on spot. Then you click on spot, then you click on USDT, and you are going to be able to see the available USDT that you've sold some DOS, right? In this case, I already had some USDT, I think $35, right? But the amount I've been able to sell my DOS is 66. Let me confirm that. I think I had some USDT left in my account. Let me confirm how much. To do that, just click on all orders and click on trade history. When you click on trade history, you are going to see, okay, I think the 40k DOS I sold amounted to around the first, because it's actually two order, right? The first one was 37, while the second one was $9. So that is roughly, let's say like $46, okay? So, and now you click on assets, you click on transfer, and you change this from injective to USDT, and make sure that spot is on top because you are sending from spot to funding. Then you click on this swap arrow and spot is on top. Then you say 46 USDT, you click on confirm, After you are done transferring to funding wallets, you click on deposit, click on P2P, click on sell. Once you click on sell, if this is your first time of using this P2P feature, you click on this currency. By default, it's going to be USD. Click on this currency and change it to your local currency. As a Nigerian, you just type NGN and you are going to then select it. As someone from Ghana, just type GHS. If you are from Kenya, just type KES. So I'm going to go back to my currency. Then after that, you click on filter and say show only eligible ads. Confirm. Click on the amount and type the approximate amount in your local currency. So for $6, it's going to be roughly 60k plus. I'm going to type 60,000. Right, so the system is going to filter people that will buy for as low as 60,000. Okay, so now you just take your time and go through this advert and make sure you look for someone that is active, not someone that is 1 minute ago, 2 days ago, 3 days ago. Look for someone that is active. So you can see this Subach Papo is active, is online, and the only bank is transferring to is UBA. So I'm going to skip his advert. I'm going to go down and look for someone that has bank transfer on his advert. With bank transfer, I could basically provide any bank and the person will be able to pay into the bank. Okay, I've seen Smart Dave and I think I want to go for it because another criteria for knowing someone who is legitimate is how many orders they have had. From 1,000 and above is cool, and if their reputation is above 90%, they are also cool, right? So I'm going to go for Smart Dave. Then I might just come down here, click on his name and check what people have said about him. No pass rating to show, okay? Fast response, good rates, reliable, polite, reliable. So you can see what people have said about him, and this is a good indication that this person is legitimate, right? So I'm going to click on all because I want to sell everything. Now select, I've added a couple of bank, right? About 3 of them. If you haven't done that yet, when you get here, they will give you an opportunity to add your bank account. I have a video wherein I talked about this, right? So if you click on this pop-up, it's going to bring up the video. Go and watch the video. That video is basically on how to buy. That is where you are going to be able to add your account details. So now I'll choose which bank I want to receive the money. I'm going to select OPay, click on confirm, and I will click on sell. Once you've been able to do this, okay, the ad status has changed. Probably the person has been able to buy from lots of people and is no longer in need, or he has changed his price. So I'm going to look for another person. So this happens so that anytime it happens, you don't have to worry yourself. It's just a normal thing. I'm going to look for another advert. Okay, I think I want to go for this person. This person doesn't send to any of my payment methods, so I'm going to skip and look for someone else. Or alternatively, always look for someone who has bank transfer as his payment method. That simply means that the person could send to any bank. Okay, I think I would want to deal with Afolax. I'll select to pay, select all, click on sell. There is a problem. I don't know why this keeps happening, but it's a normal thing though. it's a normal thing. Rate is very terrible today. I will go for this. I hope it doesn't fail. Click on all, click on sell. Then you can talk with the buyer. If you click on this, you are going to see the person's. Sometimes they do ask for phone numbers to confirm that you are active and you are going to be able to release the coins once they have made payment into your bank account. So even if they don't ask for it, you could just drop your phone number, wait for the payments to drop into your account. Once they have paid into your account, they are going to tell Bybit that they have paid you, and Bybit will give you an option to release the coins to the buyer. Once the buyer have made payment into your account, he or she is going to mark that he has paid into your account. Then before you come here and release the USDT to the buyer, make sure you confirm the payment in your account. And if the money is there, all you have to do is to click on release now, and you click on I have checked my balance, and you click on I confirm. Then you click on release now. Then you are going to have to input the code that has been generated from your Google Authenticator and paste the code there. Click on confirm and you are good to go. I believe that is quite simple. If you have any question, don't hesitate to ask in the comments below, and I'm going to be in the comments chatting with you. If you are yet to join our Telegram channel, do well to use the link in the description of this video as well as in the comments below to join our Telegram channel. Don't forget to share this video with your loved ones, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.